Hello, everybody. How are you all doing? I hope you are fine. So, guys, we all saw what happened the other day after the match of Portugal versus Spain. Spain got one and Portugal got nil. So, Portugal got eliminated, and that match has got a lot of people talking. We have seen tears, we have seen emotional messages, and we have seen memes all over, and so much has been going on. So, guys, so many people expected that Portugal will win this World Cup. We all know this is the last World Cup that Cristiano Ronaldo is going to play, and he has been on the pitch for 2 decades, and he has won so many trophies, but he has never won a World Cup. So people expected that this year maybe it might be his lucky World Cup, and people are rooting for that. So when they got eliminated, a lot has been happening. We saw that so many clubs that Cristiano has ever worked with came out, and they sent him good messages, to encourage him. He is a legend to be remembered forever, and he should be respected. He has brought another face in the football world. We could not be knowing Portugal if it's not for Ronaldo. So, and it has not stopped there. We have seen so many people creating memes. They are circulating all over. We have seen people saying they will never support Portugal again. They were supporting Portugal because of Cristiano, so they are switching to other clubs, and it has brought a lot of discussion online. Others saying that the teammates failed Cristiano, they were not passing the ball to him, and all that. And others saying the coach didn't do his thing to Cristiano or whatever he was supposed to do. So much is going on in the internet right now, and we saw Cristiano with his teammates, and people really felt for him. And other people think that Cristiano is old, and they are blaming Portugal for not choosing people on their prime. They think Cristiano is old because he just turned 41 the other day, and he has played for so many years. Every time he put on that jersey, the Portugal jersey, he is always making wonders. So, guys, uh, we should respect that he's a legend, and nothing will change that. He has done good, he has entertained us, and we should appreciate the time he has been entertaining us.